Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bloom headlights in Car Parking Multiplayer. First, open the game and select your desired vehicle from the garage. Then, proceed to the car customization section, which is usually represented by a wrench or paint icon. Within this menu, you will find various categories for modifying your car's appearance and performance. Locate the specific section dedicated to lighting or headlights to begin our adjustments. Now that you are in the headlight settings, look for options like color, intensity, or brightness. To achieve a bloom effect, you will want to significantly increase the intensity or brightness slider, often to its maximum or near maximum setting. You can also adjust the color of your headlights. A pure white or slightly yellow hue often works best for a realistic bloom, but feel free to experiment. To truly enhance the bloom, explore settings related to light spread or radius. Increasing this value will make the light appear to emanate further from the headlight, creating a more pronounced glow. Some games offer additional visual effects like fog or glow that can be layered on top. Remember to find a balance. Too much intensity can look unnatural, so aim for a striking yet believable effect. Once you have made your adjustments, it is crucial to test your new bloom headlights. Take your car for a drive in different in-game conditions, including both daytime and nighttime, and in various weather settings. This will help you see how the bloom effect performs. If you are satisfied with the results, remember to save your car's customization profile so your awesome new headlights are always ready to shine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.